Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lenovo ThinkCenter desktop PC, Core i7, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Lenovo ThinkCenter M70t model. This one, power button, headphone jack, mic jack, USB-C, and front side another 4 USB port. And this model does not have any DVD writer. So new model i7 13th generation model, this one does not have any DVD writer. Comes with a Core i7 vPro technology, 13th generation. This is the backside look. Have a look what are the connections backside. It comes with the display port and HDMI and 4 USB port, Ethernet port. And these are the 3 expansion slot and power supply. So in this PC I am going to add 2GB NVIDIA GT710 dedicated graphic card. I am going to add in this one. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's see the build quality of this model inside. How many slot, memory slot, and what are the expansion slot is there inside. Here you can see the dummy slot for the DVD, re-readable. There is no DVD by default, so optional. We just going to upgrade RAM in this PC and adding extra graphic card. Here you can see the power supply, 258 watts power supply, 80 plus gold. So there is no extra power from this power supply. All the connection given to onboard. From the board there is a one 4-pin slot is there for extension. From power supply does not have anything. 2 memory slot, comes with a 2 memory slot and 1 M.2 NVMe 2280 size, and 2 PCI Express slot and Wi-Fi card. It has a built-in Wi-Fi card and speaker also. And let's see the memory speed of this model. It comes with the 8GB by default, DDR5-5600B. The speed is DDR5-5600B. This graphic card we are going to add in this PC. FX 2GB dedicated graphic card. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can see there is a small form factor caddies are there for SFF PC. So in this graphic card we can add it in the small form factor PC also. Only one fan they give in this graphic card. It comes with the DVI port, HDMI and VGA port. 3 display outputs. Comes with 3 display outputs. This graphic card. It has a one PCI Express slot. Yeah, fix the 2GB graphic card. Apex brand. Yeah, this is a graphic card. We fixed it. 2GB dedicated graphic card. NVIDIA. So now we are going to upgrade the memory. 8 plus 8. Total 16 GB. We are going to upgrade the one more 8 GB 5600B. So by default also 5600B. So 8 plus 8 RAM is upgrading. Okay, start. Upgrade the memory. Eight plus 8. Total 16 GB upgrading. be upgraded. Yes friends, memory is upgraded and graphic card also we added. So total 16 GB and 2 GB graphic card. Core i7 13th generation model. Yeah, we are just refixing the PC. There is no DVD here, only the dummy. So we can add 2.5 size SATA drive also. So they given the data cable and power cable also. So we can add one M.2 NVMe, it's there already, and 2.5 SATA we can add here. We can add here also. The screws are there for a hard drive. Fix the cover. Upgraded finish. This is a graphic card, one DBI port, HDMI and VGA. So ready to use, install the drivers and ready to use. VGA connecting in the monitor. Power cord, connect the power. Yeah, USB keyboard, USB mouse, connect the bootable drive, bootable USB drive. So for Lenovo, for booting Windows F12. So you need to do the Windows setup after installation of the Windows. So Windows setup done. So now you need to install the related drivers and complete updates. So I'm connecting the Ethernet cable for internet. So I'm going to update all the drivers. So while internet is connecting, just to go to Windows Update, check for update. So update the Windows. So all the drivers will come, the graphic drivers, PC driver related, all the drivers we need to update. Here you can see complete update finish, processor 13th generation and memory which we upgraded. So all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.